For those who don't know, I left my hometown country of Australia late last year to go chase a dream of fishing the Bassmaster Opens. Hoping to qualify for the Bassmaster Elite Series, but just really wanted to have a good shot at this and take the leap and see what we can make of it. So we flew out of home in Queensland, Australia, and flew through Fiji, flying with Fiji Airways because they were way cheaper, and they had brand new planes, so it was a pretty good little deal, and I was pretty spoiled on the plane.
Have a go at this. You won't believe it, but I've gotten lucky again. 3-seater, baby. 12-hour flight.
After probably one of the comfiest flights I reckon I've ever had, we flew into Atlanta, Georgia, where my good friend Kyle picked me up. And Kyle's actually let me use this 2014 Ranger bass boat for the year, so big shout out to Kyle. Thank you so much, man. It's been an absolute pleasure driving in this boat, but he helped me for a few days rigging it up and get my car license sorted and doing some adjustments on the bed in the van here. So big shout out to Kyle. And not long after that, I head up to beautiful Tennessee, where I caught up with one of Australia's favourites, Carl Jochumsen.
You doing Carl on the old man chair? He's alright. Yeah, he's good. You lifting for you? Yeah, dog. On mooch. How good? Old black lips. Yeah, it's sick.
Left Tennessee and spent the next couple of days in Alabama, just sort of getting ready before the first Bassmaster Open event. But this is the first day out in the boat with Kyle. He sort of showed me around everything. We fished Lake Gunnersville, caught a few good fish. He's frothing here, we're hammering along in the wind. Doing 65 was pretty fun, but little did we know there was a mad cold change coming in, and pretty much all of the whole south, all the way to Florida, got covered in snow, and it doesn't happen very often, so I was pretty lucky to see this because I'd never even seen snow before, so pretty cool to see it, and it was freezing.
It's been tough out here, but finally just got our first decent bite out of a brush pile. It's a big one. 315. 4-pounder. I thought he was going to weigh more than that. Five of those would be awesome. Well, that wraps up our first day. It was really nice at the start, but I think that was probably one of the windiest days I've ever spent on the water in a bass boat. One of the biggest runs I've done in that wind before too. It was insane coming back. I just spent all day in one arm, and it's blowing. Man, it is a huge place. There's just endless creeks everywhere, but I can't even talk. My mouth is like frozen, but we got on a bit of a deal. I don't know if it was the deal or not, I don't know, but we got a 4-pounder, which wasn't too bad. Late, we got a 3-pounder. We could have got some more decent ones today, I reckon. A lot of good largemouth, which is not what I was expecting, but we'll take them. So tomorrow we're going to put in somewhere else and maybe try find some spotted bass, some more numbers of them, because I couldn't find many today. Find some numbers where I can get a quick 5 and then hit those largemouth bass spots. So I can't even talk, I'm not frozen, my hands are freezing, like all red, but see how we go tomorrow. Been a bit of a grind, cold as hell, back of pocket, 2-pound spot, let's go. And another tank spot. I just wanted to fish it out a little bit just to make sure that there was more here and find the spot within the spot. I think we found it. There's like a ton of these things down there. Just gotta get a weight on him. 2.8, so it's almost 3-pounder. That's insane. 5 of them, getting you close to 15 pounds. Be frothing. And then go, hopefully get a big one in between. Frothing. Day 3, baby. Last day of practice. We're getting after it. There's boats everywhere. It's pretty cool. Heaps of big, nice rigs. And we're going to go out, see if we can mark a few more brush piles and get into a couple. Let's go. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but it is snowing. Second time it snowed today now. We've had a pretty good day. Got a couple more brush piles with fish on them, which look really good. Found a spot I can get them on glide baits, which was insane. Pull up this pocket. There's a few laydowns at the back, you know. Just looking at them, like, you can't tell me there's not a bass in those things. They just look so good. Coming off like a real deep edge. They came way out. I'm like, I'm gonna throw a glide in there. Threw it in there. Chop, chop, chop. Watch one come out. And chop, chop. He's getting closer. And I started speeding it up. He's sped up. Boom! And hit it. Rolled on it. And I was like, oh. I was like, that's pretty cool. And I'll see if I can get another one. Cast. I didn't hook him. Cast in there. Chop. 2 come racing out. I'm chopping it, and I just burned it out and got it out of there before they hooked up. So they were hot on it. Like, you know what's crazy is it's freaking snowing and they're eating a glide bait. But just have a look at it. It's crazy. Tell you what though, one thing I've been really struggling with is the cold. I've never been so cold in my life. My feet today, every time I idle around or sit back down, I have to wrap a jumper around my shoes. And I'm wearing 2 pairs of socks, a pair of gloves over them, and weatherproof boots, and they were getting too cold. I was getting like full, like pins and needles. I couldn't feel them anymore. It was like getting really painful, like just the weirdest pain, and then wrap a blanket around them and it seems like, a jump around them and it seems to help a little bit. So, but like the ends of my toes were like, honestly felt like they're about to fall off. The snow's just stopped now, but it's 2:47. Got a couple more hours left, and then we're gonna get the hell out of here because I can't wait to get in a hot shower. It's so freaking cold. Alright, this is it, man. Day 1. This is, I didn't sleep at all last night. I kept waking up, rolling over. So excited, I feel so tired today, but the nerves, the adrenaline I've got right now is like undescribable, and it's just got me going real hard. So, like, when you've spent like over 6-7 years just working towards having an opportunity just to get here, to hopefully have a shot at doing this one day, and now I'm here, practice is over, I'm about to fish the first day of the Bassmaster Open. It's pretty nerve-wracking. It's like you finally get what you ask for, you think you've got a shot, and now you better give it a crack. So it's pretty scary. Finally here, better to get the answer, see if I'm up for what it takes to go against these guys. And like this year, it's a serious field of guys, but it's all about coming over here, learning, and trying not to fish with any pressure on ourselves, and just see what happens. If it happens, that's awesome. But you know, So also just trying to make a start over here, try and make a career, try and get a few sponsors even, and just see how it all pans out. So I'll see you guys out in the water. 129, 415. Thank you.
Go up there a little ways, pull that kill switch.
Yes, sir. Number one, baby. We ain't even got to the brush pile yet. Calm down, brother. Calm down. Calm down. Too far. Take it. No! Gosh, I haven't lost one all week. What? A little better. 2.5 pounder. Close to 3, mate. No, 2.5. Two. I'll take it. Number 3. Next cast, baby. 3 pounder. Didn't hit record. Yeah, dude. 5 of them, that's what we need. 213. That's 4 fish right there, son. tiny, tiny, tiny. It's number 5 though. 1-3, mega giant. That's a good spot. I like the old head on him. Two-pounder. Two 5. Alright, here we are, day number 2. We made, oh, it's actually day number 3, but because day 1 got cancelled, so we made the day 3 cut, even though we're in 75th place, frothing. But didn't have the best day yesterday, but I was also really happy to get 13 pounds. You know, 75th place, 13.1 pounds, mid-pack, just above mid-pack. If I can get that again today, it's going to get tougher. A lot of pressure on the lake. That will go a long way if I can get that again. I just don't know if my spots can handle it, but we're gonna milk them for what they got, and we're gonna go do some more exploring up around that area. Yesterday, I fished that area and I caught all these fish, and then I thought, oh, they're only small ones. I'm gonna start heading back because I got good fish back towards takeoff as well, and I got back towards takeoff, and there was hundreds of boats everywhere. Bank, every bay, every point, there was a boat. So they just got flogged down near the takeoff, so I'm gonna spend my time up there today and just milk it, see what else I can find. Hopefully run into 1 or 2 big ones, that's all we need, and it'll go a long way. So see, we go today with boat number 33, taking off at 7:15 and back at 3:25, so let's get it, baby.
Weather off. Oh no, I think he said he had a move it off. 33, Tommy Wood. Going up, Tommy, right behind that basket. Behind the yellow speed.
Good morning.
Eat a peanut patch.
How we doing?
Good, good. What about you?
It's icy.
You good?
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
7.
What number?
33.
33. Check-in time.
3:25.
Gotcha.
We're on 39.
Cool. Thanks, mate.
You can see Adam right behind that basket.
Pull that kill switch out there for me. Hey! Hey! Look at the floorboard.
40, John Pollard.
he was heaps bigger than that. But hey, that's a good start. We had like a few of these in the bag yesterday, so get a bag of these and we can stay consistent. He looks so big on scope. 2.8. I'll take that. Hell yeah, baby. Where's my minnow at, bro? Where's my minnow? God damn.
My minnows caught my back. And the line's frozen in the guide.
Where the hell my minnow at, bro? Oh, she's off. Yeah, dang. Yes. Number 2, baby. One will just come out and eat it every now and then. $2.9. Ew. Really hope to not have you in the box towards the end, but take number 3. Giant. 1 pound, 6 ounces. Stud right there, son. That one right there will be getting a cold tag. That's for sure. Golly. Dang old biggin', son. Woo! Big old spot daddy. I will take him. 2-pounder. Got in front of him, he just raced over. Dong. Got all shad down his throat. 1.15. Oh, stop. Please stop. I need to lock you in. Back. Spider bass. I reckon that'll call that little one. So we'll 111. Number 3. 3. Sir. That's one. Finally got him. It's weird, they'll follow it, they get really close to it, and they peel off. And you just got to keep it in the exact same spot, and they come back and they come up real slow and go donk. Woo! 210, baby. It's gonna knock out number 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big one. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a 4 pounder. Oh my god. Stay hooked up. Yes! 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 Yeah, baby. Come on. Just fell out. Yes! 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 Oh my god. Look at that tank, man. Oh, that's the biggest one I've caught all week. Oh, are you kidding? I'm shaking. Woo! Come on, what do we got? What do we got? Oh yeah, 4-2. Throwing out number 5. Oh, dude, they fight so hard. Yes! 4-2. Dang old stud. On that Samaki sketch, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that's enough, bro. Yes, dude, 2.5 pounder. Yes, dude. It's gonna kick out that 114. Woo! How good fishing when it's going good. We'll take him though. Oh, 2.4. That's the smallest. 2.4. That's not bad. That's a good bag. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yes, son. We got another tank. Oh my god. On the end of a point. He's like a real weird shaped one, but he'll do. He's not 4 pounds, but I reckon he's 3. Big old googly eyes on him. Oh yeah. 3.5. Yeah, doggy. Not a bad one. That's for sure. Who needs a friggin' foot pedal? It's a scope. Little one. Is that 4 pound?
See where you end up. Tommy Wood, come on up out of Australia. Fishing in the opens this year. Started off with 13 pounds and an ounce yesterday. I don't know, but it looks better than 13.1.
Hell yeah, baby, I'm frothing. It's way better day today. Caught a 4 pounder, I was frothing, so yeah, I got to hold them up. I didn't hold them up yesterday.
15-13 today, so you moved the right direction. 28-14 his 2-day total. Tommy has held a trophy on the non-boater side before, and jumping into that boater side all the way to 11th place. And let's hear it for our Australian angler in the field. So when you talk to your friends back home, you're like, look, man, I hold fish up in front of a crowd. We're going to say close to 1,000 people. Do you think they'd ever believe you?
No way. I got
heaps of friends and family watching the Bass live, which is awesome you guys do this sort of stuff because, like, heaps of people watching it. So shout out to everyone back in Australia. And just being here in this country and seeing, like, the love for this sport is just awesome. Like, every lake, there's 100 bass boats out there just getting after it. And me, I just grew up watching Bass live and everything since a kid, and I just love it. So being here, super happy just being in the country, fishing, and get a bag like that, I just can't complain.
You might get a check out of that, too. Let's hear it for Tommy. Nice job. You are off and rolling. We'll see you at the next one.